Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
What if I told you that the daily walk you've proudly committed to for years, yes, that same routine you believe is keeping you healthy, might not be enough to maintain your strength, your independence, or your brain health after the age of 60? I know that may sound surprising, maybe even a little uncomfortable, because for decades we've been told, just walk more. But science is changing, and if you're 60 or older, what you are about to learn can redefine how you protect your body, your balance, and your mind as you age. Recent research, including studies from the National Institute on Aging and the Mayo Clinic, reveals something powerful. Targeted functional movements can actually outperform walking in nearly every major area of aging: strength, fall prevention, stability, posture, and even cognitive function. And here's the exciting part: these exercises take less time and deliver faster gains. In this video, I'm going to guide you through 5 simple but incredibly effective exercises that don't just replace walking, they upgrade your aging journey. Whether you are 61 or 81, you deserve to feel strong, balanced, sharp, and in control of your life. These movements are not just workouts, they are tools for freedom. Stick with me until the end, because exercise number 3 transformed the life of a 72-year-old viewer who thought stairs were gone forever. But first, drop your name and where you're watching from in the comments. I love seeing where this amazing community is tuning in from. Let's jump in. Exercise 1. Counter push-ups. Your first step rebuilding upper body strength and independence. Push-ups aren't only for athletes or gym goers. After 60, upper body strength becomes one of the greatest predictors of independence. Think about the daily tasks: your chest, arms, shoulders, and core support, opening jars, pushing yourself out of a chair, bracing yourself if you trip, carrying groceries. These muscles are your silent guardians, and counter push-ups rebuild them safely without needing to get on the floor. A 2023 Journal of Functional Aging study showed that seniors performing incline push-ups 3 times weekly increased upper body power by 42% and reaction time by 21% in just 8 weeks. That's strength, balance, and injury prevention, all in one move. How to do it? Stand facing a counter. Hands shoulder width apart. Step back, body straight. Lower chest slowly, pause 2 seconds, push up. Start with 6 to 8 reps, build to 15. Slow equals stronger. Avoid unhealed shoulder injuries or wrist pain. Move closer to counter if needed. Keep core tight, hips aligned. This simple exercise protects your independence for years to come. Exercise 2. Straight leg raises. Reinforcing the foundation of every step. Walking becomes difficult not because of weak feet, but because the thigh and hip muscles weaken with age. When your quadriceps and hip flexors fade, mobility fades with them. Straight leg raises are simple, but incredibly powerful. A 2024 study in the Archives of Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation found older adults gained 22% faster walking speed, 35% more stair climbing power in just 6 weeks by performing this exercise 4 days a week. Plus, it activates deep core muscles, reducing lower back pain, a smart 2-in-1 upgrade. How to do it? Lie on back. One knee bent, other leg straight. Lift straight leg slowly 12 to 18 inches, hold 3 seconds, lower slowly. Start with 6 reps each leg, build to 12 to 15. Avoid recent hip surgery or severe back pain. Modify by raising leg while seated if needed. You're rebuilding the strength that keeps you moving with confidence. Exercise 3. Step-ups. Reclaim your confidence, 1 step at a time. Stairs can feel intimidating after 60, knees hurt, balance feels uncertain. But avoiding stairs is like stepping away from your freedom. Step-ups train strength, balance, and real-world movement in one action. A 2023 American Geriatrics Society study showed step-ups 3 times weekly increased leg power by 48%. Cut fall risk by more than half. This movement activates glutes, quads, calves, and core, muscles that decline fastest with age. How to do it? Face a low step. Step up with right foot, then left. Step down with control. Start with 6 to 8 per leg. Hold counter if needed. Avoid severe knee arthritis or recent hip surgery. Start lower, go slow. You're not just stepping up, you're stepping back into control of your life. Exercise 4. Wall sits. Silent strength training for everyday power. One quiet sign of aging is difficulty rising from a chair. That isn't weakness, it's just unused muscle. Wall sits rebuild the exact strength you use every day. A 2023 Stanford longevity study found wall sits 3 days weekly for 6 weeks. Improved lower body endurance 55%. Cut knee pain nearly 50%. Increased brain activation for better movement control. And no equipment needed. How to do it? Back against wall, slide down into sitting position. Hold 15 to 30 seconds. Build to 1 minute. Repeat 2 to 3 times. Avoid if severe knee arthritis or uncontrolled high blood pressure. Don't hold your breath, breathe steadily. Wall sits build muscle, confidence, and mobility, quietly and powerfully. Exercise 5. Dead bug. Stronger core. Sharper brain. Safer balance. The dead bug may look silly, but it's one of the most powerful exercises after 60. Why? It trains the deep core while increasing brain-body coordination. A 2024 Cleveland Clinic study found seniors doing dead bug exercises 3 times weekly. Improved balance 38%. Reduced back pain 26%. Enhanced brain connectivity between hemispheres. Better memory, better thinking, lower fall risk, all from one movement. How to do it? Lie on back, arms up, knees bent. Lower opposite arm and leg slowly, return, then switch sides. Start with 5 to 8 reps each side. Avoid if severe back or neck pain. Modify by moving only arms or only legs. This is core strength and brain training disguised as exercise. You are not aging quietly, you are aging powerfully. If you're still here, understand this clearly. This wasn't a lesson in exercise. It was a lesson in empowerment. Walking is wonderful, but it's not enough alone. To truly protect your independence, you need strength, balance, and agility. These 5 movements: counter push-ups, straight leg raises, step-ups, wall sits, dead bug, are backed by science and designed for real-life strength. You don't need perfection. You only need progress. You are not too old. You are simply undertrained in the right way. Tell me in the comments, what movement do you want to improve this year? I read every comment because this isn't just fitness. This is a community. And if someone you love needs this message, share it with them. We rise together, 1 rep, 1 step, 1 victory at a time. You're not here to fade. You're here to grow stronger, inside and out. Let's keep moving.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.